I just picked up Apple AirTags and we are going to put them to the test. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is the newest offering by Apple, the AirTags. They're like little tags that you can add to things so that you can find them when they're lost. Things like your keys, your purse, your wallet. I'm kind of tempted to throw one in the trunk of my cars, but this is something that's just really meant to help you find stuff that's really important that you can't lose. Now, I will say that it's kind of my understanding that there are really two big benefits to this. One, you can attach them to things like your keyring and then use your phone, which will connect to them and guide you to it. It will use, I think, Bluetooth locally to find it. Now, the other thing is that Apple will use its network of 1 billion devices to kind of keep searching for your particular AirTag. So let's say I put this on something, I leave it in a public park. Obviously, that's out of range of my phone. I think when you are searching for this, it will ping every other phone on the network and find one that is close to it and relay that location back to you. So it's kind of an interesting little network effect that Apple has here, and it may just help you find something that you've lost. So we're going to test it locally and we will see if we can track it.
All right, so let's unbox these and check them out. There's always a little pull tab here to make it as easy as possible on me, and a little tab here. I just love the way Apple thinks about their packaging. It makes it easy on people like me that need that little extra assistance. And there we have the 4 AirTags that I ordered. Now, I actually ordered custom engraving on some of these, so I'm kind of curious to see what that looks like. You can see it here. So that one says car. Must mean it's going on the car keychain. And if I pull this off, we get a little plastic there and right there. And then it looks like if I pull this out, it's going to activate or at least connect that battery. So I'm just going to pull like this because I think that's, ooh, just made a noise. Okay, so I will tell you, I've got Sharpie marker all over my hand, that this seems like a plastic outer cover. You can see what it looks like there. Kind of reminds me of like a button that you would wear on your shirt, like a campaign button. And then I'm guessing that this is the replaceable battery that I'm getting all smudged up with my fingers. It's kind of nice and shiny. You can see me in there. I'm sorry for that. But what'll happen here is that if I take, say, like this Apple keychain here and then open this up, I can slide it in there. But the first thing I want to do here is now connect it to my iPhone because I've never done this, and so I just want to see what it will do. And ooh, there we go. Seems to find it just by putting it close. And then I'm going to call this one, I don't know, it's keys. All right, keys. I'm going to register it. Woohoo! Peter's Keys. All right. View and Find My app. So now if I go here into the Find My Phone app and I go to items down here, it looks like it shows Peter's Keys right here. So it's saying that they are with me right now, so that's pretty cool. And I will go ahead and hide this and see if we can use it to locate them. So I've opened the Find My iPhone app here and I've clicked on this one. I'm calling it Backpack because I'll attach it to my backpack. And the first thing I'm going to do here is just play the sound because I want to see what it sounds like. It's got a high-pitched tone here. Sounds like a little tiny submarine. It's pretty loud, so that's kind of nice. I would say it's going to work best if it is connected to the outside of the backpack as opposed to being buried down deep inside. But now I'm just going to go ahead and move over to the other side of the room because what I want to do is hit find and see how that works. So just go ahead here and it's saying Peter's backpack and it's showing me a little round circle. And if I move like this, it's saying it's over there, which would be right. I'm just kind of curious how accurate this is. Okay, so I'm gonna line it up perfectly on my phone. And the whole screen went green, saying 19 feet ahead, 18 feet ahead. All right, I'm just walking over there. Gotta maneuver around the furniture and looky there. 3 feet, 2 feet, 1 foot away. And I will tell you, it's about 1 foot away. And it's kind of vibrating my hand, saying I'm right on top of it. And I am. That is pretty awesome. So that's how it works, man. And the other thing that will work here is that kind of the whole network of iPhones and iOS devices around the globe will help find your AirTag, which is kind of cool. So there is definitely a network effect here where if I leave my backpack, say in a restaurant 40 miles from here, and I hit find, it's going to basically ping all of the enabled AirTag iPhones out there and try to find it for me, which is pretty cool too. So It's really something that could only have come about now because they really need the whole network of iOS devices out there to help locate it. So kind of an interesting little thing. I just wanted to show you this and how it works. So if you want to pick up Apple AirTags, I will put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.